Dear friends, this is Professor Healer B. Arihar from Chennai. Good morning. Being an acupuncturist and a naturotherapist and chronic healer, I have more interest on the human body and human body related diseases. I was in a different portfolio, but this medical system has attracted me more, so I am fully concentrating on this currently for last 15 years. I had quite good experience in the international training part. There is a lot of changes out there internationally. I want to share some important diseases, what I understood from the lot of researchers. Today I want to discuss about the diabetic, because the diabetic is a tremendous growth is there, uncontrollable growth is there. The reason behind that, not anybody, the individual human being. The main reason for the diabetic everybody knows, but can't able to control it. The reasons are not controllable because it has been practiced by us for a long time. Due to that only the growth of diabetic is growing like anything. With regards to the lot of researchers and other things, we understood that diabetic is moreover 420 millions all over the world and round about 39 million in US alone. In India, I don't have any right statistics, so that I can't able to give you the what is this growth rate and other things. But the uniform growth rate as per WHO standard 1:10. Now it is developing like anything. 2050s it would be 1:5 or 1:3. You imagine 1:3 means nearing to an individual person. If the day comes, everybody will be a diabetic patient. So diabetic will be the normal human body level. It will be like that. Even gents or ladies, whoever it may be. So I want to emphasize a lot of things on the diabetic system. What the controllable points, where to control it, and how to change their lifestyle, what is our food style should be. Lot of things are behind that. Anyhow, I am going to share something very important message to the therapist who working on diabetic and diabetic patients. It will be helpful to them. Sir, the diabetic is due to the absorb of glucose by the cells. When it get absorbed these things, insulin is required. The insulin which merge with the glucose which is converted from our food has to be absorbed by the cells. Cells should fire it, converted it as an energy, and it will grow all over the body. All the things in the body is as cells. Skin has cells, eye has cells, arteries has cells, stomach has cells, uterus has cells. Everything is made out of cells only. So a cell is only consuming the glucose with the insulin and burn it as an energy. When the conversion of energy is not done properly, the diabetic occurs. Everybody knows it. But in the acupuncture theory, we have a different theory that we want to discuss it now. See, first, liver and stomach heat. The liver and stomach heat stagnation, heat stagnation, always create this diabetic problem. When the therapist working on the diabetic patient, they has to study this is the reasons for this diabetic, is diabetic. Whether it may be categorized in this or what the other categories he should be followed. The person who affected by the liver and the stomach heat will be very, very irritable. Dry mouth will be there. Heart, chest fullness will be there. Often you used to urinate. Often you used to drink more water. It is so on. His tongues will be red. His pulse will be rapid. Stringy too also. Stringy too. This kind of patients will be fall under liver and stomach heat stagnation. When we want to work on the diabetic, better you can remove this first, then you can go for other formulas of acupuncture that we are very much teaching in our academy, Rishi Academy. We are very proudly say that we are curing the diabetic patients through Tung acupuncture. The history I can say you, a patient came with the off-size cricket ball, tumor in his spine. It is nearby 11 and 12 of thoracic. Very painful, very reddish color. I started treating within 3 days. Pain has gone, redness has gone. The swelling was reduced like anything. He was very happy because the doctor has said that it has to be get operated. Without operation, he was escaped from that situation. But diabetic is there, still diabetic is there. That diabetic will be controlled by acupuncture, Tung acupuncture with the TCM acupuncture, supporting TCM acupuncture and diet system. These three will definitely help the diabetic patient to come out from the diabetic issues. Second category, I can say that it is phlegm and heart heat. Due to the diabetic history within middle age of diabetic, this will be increased. Heat and phlegm will be increased. Heart heat. When heart and lungs are very much coordinating, its chemistry should be pakka, or otherwise it will create stagnation in the lungs. It will create lot of problems like phlegm and other things. These patients usually will be irritable patients, and their pulse will be, they used to take lot of cool drinks and crave for foods, and their pulse will be stringy and smooth. Yes, stringy and smooth. Their tongues will be yellow coat, greasy yellow coat. When phlegm and cold in is there more, there will be a greasy coat will be there in the tongue. These patients also should be taken care with. Lungs points to be taken care. Heat has to be get reduced. This is stagnation. Status is there. As like blood status, it is heat status is there. Instead of concentrating on pancreas, you should concentrate on these things also. As per my knowledge is concerned and as per the research is concerned, For diabetic, the first area to be concentrated is spleen. Spleen, if gets disturbed, the diabetic occurs very fastly. Not to bother about the pancreas first. Pancreas is the manufacturer, but before manufacturer, lot of things has to be done. That is, spleen has to in perfect condition. Then only it can produce insulin. So the spleen has to be controlled or balanced. This is a very important thing. And then there is a excess heat in the intestine and stomachs. Intestines, as always, dirty movements will be there. Small intestine play a very big role on process of food into energy. If these areas are affected by heat, the conversion will not be proper. So the glucose conversion from the food not up to the mark of cell's requirement. So this problem also occurs. These patients will have constipation, abdominal fullness, dry mouth, used to take lot of water and food. They feel very much hunger every time. Hungry, too much hungry will be there. Mostly these tongues will be red in color. Red in color. Yellow shadow will be there on the tongue. Not sticky coat or something like that. It's a yellow coat will be there. They are very, 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 very stringy and strong. It will be strong pulse. Stringy and strong pulse. So the diabetic goes like that. When we are going to treat the diabetic patient, you should care about the spleen first. As per the Tung theory, Master Tung has advised us to take care of spleen meridian points. It is not spleen meridian points. More or less it is covers spleen area, spleen meridian area, and the cues are very, very, very acute and instant cure we are producing. Results are very, very, very instant. Within 3 days, as per my testimonial, within 3 days the off-size cricket ball has got reduced and swelling, pain, everything has gone within 3 days. Even if we get operated, the pain will be stands long for another 10 to 12 days, because when the operation done on the diabetic patient, the healing ratio will be very less. So what I want to say you, diabetic patient, not only acupuncture is sufficient, little bit food diet system should be maintained. Food means that food must have a herbal too. So even each and every food is treated as a herbal. It has its own values. The diet system, proper diet system, balanced diet system, avoid the carbohydrate items, increase the fiber items, increase the protein. If the patient is non-vegetarian, you can easily give some eggs. Diabetic patient can take a banana, small piece of banana, because it has sodium, magnesium, potassium. These are all required by the diabetic patient. When the diabetic is gone on a chronic stage, due to that kidney got affected, then we have to bother about the potassium. in the earlier stage, or you bring back to the normal stage of a diabetic patient, these minerals are very, very important to keep him status, the normal condition. So, all the balanced food, as I said, is very, very important, along with the tongue acupuncture, supported by TCM, energy boosters. We are curing a lot of diabetic patients, not only diabetic patients, we are curing thyroid, we are curing gynecology problems. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful points are there. This tongue is a speciality point for IVF, infertility, male infertility and female infertility. A lot of research is still going on to find out the very effective points. Very effective points, I can say that. So far what we operating is give 100% satisfactory results. My wishes to all my therapists to get trained with the tongue acupuncture. It will be another tool in their hands. Most of the therapies as auricular therapy or YNSA or touch therapy or physio reflexology, so many things. As to my knowledge, after TCM, I am very much fond of tongue acupuncture. So I selected this area to develop myself with the international knowledge, and I am conducting the classes on training. Workshop is going on, 2 days programs, very economical price. But it is in an international standard. All the classes so far completed has given a wonderful testimonials by the participants. Even participants has given very good satisfactory feedback about the classes. So it has been planned to cover all the major cities of India. So far we have covered major cities of Tamil Nadu, and we are going to have a training workshop in Hyderabad, at Bangalore, soon at Mumbai and Delhi. My kind request to the therapist, better to improve your qualities, because we got the accreditation from the central government. We have waited for the accreditation, now we got it. Now within 2 years the regular stream of therapists will start coming, because it is going to college 4.5 years or 5.5 years, government will decide it. So the upcoming therapists will be powerful after studies. Anyhow, we are going to teach them. Anyhow, the therapist should be strong enough to compete with the newcomers. Not only that, to teach them also. The newcomers has depend upon us only to get the knowledge transfer. Better to be knowledge equipped therapist in future. It will help you a lot. This is my kind request and advice too. Thanking you, Professor Healer B. Arihar from Chennai. My phone number is 9940529242. Anybody interested to conduct Master Tongue Acupuncture in English in North India, they can contact me. Even the associations can contact me. I can take a special classes at your associations. No issues at all. My aim is the therapist should be powerful. The patient should be get cured instantly, and the patient should be happy enough to be there in acupuncture treatment. Thanking you. Jai Hind.